Hi, my wonderful friends. Welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Jacqueline. And in today's video, I'm just going to do a 5-minute tidy up in my kitchen and in my dining room area. My kids are finally going to school. Today was their first day. I'm so excited. I'm going to spend the rest of the day just relaxing, going to the gym, and do a little bit of grocery shopping. What did you guys do on your guys' first day of school? And if your kids are not in school yet, what do you plan on doing for your first day of school? I hope you guys get some motivation from this little video that I'm doing. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and leave me a comment letting me know that you subscribed, or let me know what you guys are doing today. I've already went to the gym this morning at 5 o'clock with my husband. We had did some weight training. My next thing I'm going to be doing is an hour cardio. I'm not really looking forward to that, but I need to get it done because this is week 3 of my challenge, and I feel like I'm kind of hit a plateau, and feel like I'm not getting strong enough or losing any more weight. I already lost about 7 pounds, like 7 to 8 pounds. It kind of fluctuates, but I'm still wanting to lose some more. Here is our figs that we're getting from our fig tree. We're getting quite a bit. So I'm freezing the ones right now because we're not able to eat them fast enough, and I'm pretty much kind of burnt out of eating them right now. And I'm going to try to make like something with them. I'm not good at canning. Only thing I have tried to do right now is pickles from cucumbers, and they didn't turn out too well. But I'm gonna practice. Hopefully I get some good jam or something with these. I want to remind you guys that I'm doing a giveaway for September 1st, and I have some Myers cleaning products, room spray, hand soap, dish soap, multi-purpose soap, all in scent of rose. I also have some laundry detergent packs that are in lavender and rosemary. I have a dustpan and a cute wooden broom that goes with it, and then I also got 2 magnetic list pads. One is for groceries and one is like a daily task thing you can add to it. I'm still also adding more items to the pack. I'll try to make a picture and post it on Instagram and add it to my videos, and don't forget, you have to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, like my videos, and let me know that you are new here so I can add you in multiple entries. So each time you do these things, I'm adding a list. And then my daughter showed me how to do a random spin, so I'm going to be using that instead of having a family member draw a name. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.